This is definitely the best of the day. Oh my. What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing some spring fishing for some smallmouth on the Spokane River. Just did a pretty cool hike down here, like 2 miles, and hopefully we can catch some smallmouth. Whoa. Oh, big fish. Big smallmouth. Dang it. Okay, I think down here should be good. There's a lot of big rocks and it's slow moving. Oh, fish. It's not too big, but it's a fish, so. Nice. First fish. There he goes. Alright, I bet there's gonna be fish over here. This looks really good. So many. Oh, there's a fish. It's not that bad. Okay, never mind. I don't think it's too big. Oh, it's like the same as the last one. Not bad. Nice fish. All right. Back he goes. Oh, just got hit by a little one. Oh, he hit it again. Oh, got him. Oh, he came. I don't know if this is private property or not, but I want to get over there to those rocks. Hopefully it's not. This is no trespassing, but I'm just gonna go over here. Oh, this looks good. Fish. Yeah. Oh, he came off. Oh, there's a fish behind it. Oh. Oh, he's right under it. He got it. Yeah, that was sick. Nice, dude. That was so cool. Oh, he came off. No. Oh, fish, 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 yeah. Oh, it's good. Feels good, feels good. Nice. All right, please don't come off. Oh, I hooked him in the head. Oh, look at that. I hooked him. Oh God, hooked him right in the eye. Look at that. Nice smallmouth. I'm gonna get a little thumbnail pick. Hold up. Oh, there he goes. Fish, 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 yeah. Oh yeah. Got another one. Right, come here. Oh, this one is a red eye. There he goes. Okay, I have a feeling there's a lot more over here. Oh. Oh my God. Yeah. I saw him come up and smack it. This is definitely the best of the day. Oh my. Oh, big one. No. All right, don't come off, please. Come here. Come on. Okay. Holy crap. Yes, this is a nice fish. Got it. Nice. Dude, this is a solid like 2-pounder, 3-pounder. All right. Gonna let him go. Look at that fish. Yeah. There he goes. All right, so I'm done fishing. It's getting pretty dark out. I'd say that's a pretty successful fishing day. I've never fished this part of the river. Caught 5, so good day. Thanks for watching.